Hey you guys, so today I've got a Rubik's Cube and I'm going to do one Rubik's Cube pattern, and I'll be doing also some cool tricks that you can do with the Rubik's Cube, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first one, this is going to be our only pattern. So there'll be an iCard somewhere on the screen that you can click, and it'll have our last video if you haven't already watched that, and it has two patterns in it, and you'll have to go to that video and learn them. And basically you just do them both. So first this pattern and then the checkered pattern. So then it makes a checkered pattern with a dot in the middle. See? Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, so this is a cool trick that you can do. It's basically 24 moves that from the cube being solved, it can make it solved again. It's a really cool trick. If you get fast at it, you can show it off to your friends, and it's a pretty cool trick. So basically it's only 4 moves and you gotta repeat it 6 times. So first, it's right, and then U, right inverted, and U inverted. And you're gonna repeat those steps 6 times in total. And the cube will be solved again. So take some practice for that, and it's pretty cool. Okay, so for the final one, I believe, I kind of just came up with this by myself. I was just playing around with my cube. So this is kind of just a cool trick that you can, if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, it's better. But you can, beforehand, scramble it like this, and then ask your friends, do you think I could solve this in 4 moves? And they might not believe you, but they'll find out you can actually do it in 4 moves. So basically you can just do U, L, and then D, and then R. And that'll just it'll also make this cool pattern right here. And on some of the other sides, it'll just make a cool pattern, but also you can do this, and then it'll be solved again. Anyways guys, that's the end of the Rubik's Cube tricks, and now we're going to go to the first of the video and the outro. Let's see you there. Hey you guys, the verse of the video today is 1 Chronicles 16 verse 27, which says, "Glory and honor are in his presence, strength and gladness are in his place." So I think that's fairly simple to understand. Glory and honor are in his presence, and strength and gladness are in his place. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this Rubik's Cube tutorial video. If you want more Rubik's Cubes and fun tutorials, hit the like button and we'll bring you some more of that, and we'll see you next time.